Hey popping fans, I'm here today to answer an unusual question. Can you die from popping a pimple? The short answer, yes, you can. But don't be too alarmed. This is extremely rare, as in you probably have a better chance of getting struck by lightning and then winning the lottery the next day than you do from dying from a pimple. But it has happened in the past. Here's an account from the 1930s of a man who shaved off the top of a pimple and subsequently died of the infection in the hospital. So how is this even possible? There's an area on the face sometimes known as the danger triangle, which covers the eyes, eyebrows, nose, and upper lip. There are vessels in this area which take blood from the brain to the heart, but in some cases, infected blood can go back into the brain through this cavity. So the whole idea behind this supposedly deadly pimple is that if you get an infection in this area of your face, it becomes dangerous, as the infection could spread to the brain and kill you. Here's a picture of a girl that had to go to the emergency room for this exact type of infection. So the whole point of this video is not to scare you into thinking that you're going to die from popping pimples, but to exercise caution when you do. We have videos on this channel that talk about popping safety, but just a few quick tips. Make sure your hands and face are clean or use gloves, as the bacteria that causes this kind of infection normally lives on the skin. Examples such as MRSA or staph. Avoid breaking the skin whenever possible, and using an extractor like this one can help you do that. And don't hesitate to get medical attention if you notice an infection starting on your face. So I hope we didn't scare you too much. Just be safe out there, pimple poppers. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and stay tuned for a message on how to get your own extractor kit for safe popping. See you next time. If you'd like to get an extractor kit of your own, we did some looking around and came up with this one. It's compact, has steel instruments that won't corrode like a lot of the cheaper sets, but the price is very reasonable too. Good variety of tools and just an all-around solid kit. Use the Amazon link below and it ships quickly from the US, so you won't have to wait long before you start popping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We've got new content all the time.